This lens. Oh, we're not even centered. I tried to do such a great magic trick. We can green screen ourselves anywhere. Where do you want to go today? Hawaii? How about Arizona? It's too hot today. Here to talk to you about a lens that you can't get anymore. Maybe you still can. If you're fortunate, you're lucky, maybe you can still find one of these. If you have a friend, maybe offer to buy it from them if you want it. If you do have one, don't break it because they don't really seem to exist anymore. Motorcycle madness outside. They're just so revved up about the fact that this lens has not been on shelves. I think that there was a problem, essentially, Canon RF mount, closed mount, and they developed an autofocus lens for it. And they probably shouldn't have, I guess, maybe, I don't know. I don't know the legal. Basically what we saw, I kind of put the word out here, that we saw this lens disappear from the Samyang website last year, and then it was still on the Rokinon website. Samyang, Rokinon, they're kind of I think they're the same company, just different distribution points in different countries. And it was still on the Rokinon website for a little bit, and then it was still on eBay for a little bit, and then it was still on Amazon for a little bit. Now, searching on Amazon, I can't find it. Now searching on eBay, there's very, very few. You can set up an alert if you want. But yes, the Samyang 85, I apologize if you didn't get one. If you did get one, rejoice. Have some birthday cake tonight. Also, it's my birthday coming up, July 14th. Get into the members website, $30 per month. The sun is getting brighter right now because it is so excited that you can get it for $10 a month less than after July 14th. So if you want in on all of my premium content, all of my courses, all of my Lightroom presets and downloads, there's welcome guides, there's so much stuff over there, head on over. Unfortunately, part of the members website, there are no Samyang 85s. And this really is my favorite lens for the RF series, which is sad because it's not a Canon lens. I use the Canon L85-1.2. It's great. This is lighter, and I prefer the images to the 1.2, which is pretty crazy to say. Technically, the 1.2L is probably more correct. This has a very nice artistic element, and I like it a lot. So go forth and find one of these before people catch on and they start going for double or triple the price of what they were actually sold for earlier this year. That is all for today. I'm gonna put this back up, and see you again another time. Don't forget to head over to the members website if you're interested in getting in. I'll be back a lot over the next couple of weeks.